Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use custom Corsair to Fortnite PS5. So I'm going to be talking about the options related to your Corsair in Fortnite. As you might be aware, on PC, most people and pros like to use external programs like Corsair V2 and Corsair X. This gives you a Corsair that you can customize outside of Fortnite, because if you go inside of the settings in game and you go to game UI and you try to follow the same steps here but on PlayStation console, instead you will notice that regardless of the platform that you are on, there won't be any settings related to the radical. Of course, you can change the damage numbers, but this doesn't allow you to change the color, change the size, and manage the Corsair. Sadly, the truth is that the answer to the question in the title of this video is that using custom Corsair in Fortnite, if you are playing on a PlayStation console, is basically impossible, because external programs like Corsair V2 or Corsair X are not available on consoles. You cannot simply use these programs. The only option that you have to have a custom Corsair is to enable the Corsair option if your specific monitor has it. So a lot of gaming monitors actually have a custom Corsair. Usually you will enable it by pressing a specific button or using the joystick on your gaming monitor, and when you enable that Corsair, it's always going to appear even when you are inside of a match. However, if you are playing Fortnite and you don't have a gaming monitor on a PlayStation or Xbox console, then there isn't anything that you can do unless the devs add option to manage your Corsair or your radical. Here you will not be able to change it easily and use a custom one on consoles. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that accessing custom options for Corsairs in Fortnite can only be done primarily on a PC. On consoles, you will have to enable the Corsair option on your gaming monitor if it has the option available. I hope I was able to answer any question that you had, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.